What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to be discussing about don't quit your job to become a YouTuber. My name is Rob G, and welcome back to another video. Now, this particular topic I see all over YouTube about people giving other people advice to quit their jobs, to become a content creator, or to start creating YouTube videos. And I'm here to tell you, don't do it. Now, the reason why I say this is because I've been on YouTube since about 2009, and I've been making content for quite a few years, and I've seen a lot here on YouTube. And I'm here to tell you, don't quit your job to start creating content, or don't quit your job just because you're making money from YouTube. That's not a smart move, and I can't see why anybody would even consider doing this. I myself would never ever do this because I look at YouTube as a side hustle for me. If I am fortunate enough to make money here on this platform, that's fine. But I'm not going to quit my job to become a YouTuber because I have a lot of responsibilities. And as a responsible individual, I need money coming in every single month to pay my bills, to take care of my family, to do whatever it is that I have to do. So I'm not really sure why people give other people this kind of advice. I just think a lot of times you see a lot of these videos, to be honest with you, I just think it's a lot of bullshit. Actually, people telling other people to quit their jobs, because any smart person will not quit their job, okay, for something that they really don't have no control over as far as YouTube is concerned, because YouTube makes a lot of changes to the platform. Now, if you're fortunate enough to become a YouTube partner and you're fortunate enough to start making a good amount of money here on YouTube, then that's fine. But in order for you to be really successful here on this platform, you really have to have a plan in place in order to actually expand your YouTube channel, to start making really good money and consistent money, not just with YouTube or Google AdSense. Because I'm just going to be honest, open and honest, Google AdSense is not stable, and you never know what you're going to make from month to month. So look at this from this perspective, and you'll understand what I'm talking about. Because with Google AdSense go up and Google AdSense comes down from month to month, depending on what time of the year it is. You really don't know what kind of money you're going to be making here on this platform. Now, making money from AdSense is a good thing, and some people can make a really good amount of money. But, to be honest with you and to tell you the truth, it's not stable. And it's not stable because if you look at it, and if you really do your research and really look at the channels that's up here on this platform, do you ever wonder why channels with millions and millions of views and subscribers just suddenly quit? Now, if the money is really great and you're really making a ton of money here, then why would you walk away from a channel with 2, 3, 4 million subscribers and thousands of views, and you're making money here on the platform? Why would you just get up and walk away from your channel? You got to ask yourself that question and just wonder, why would anybody do that? Because if things are really, really stable, people are going to stay on this platform, and they're not going to get up and just walk away from their channel. Now, grant you, YouTube is really hard. It's nothing easy about YouTube, even though people say YouTube is on easy mode. YouTube is not on easy mode. The algorithm has changed, and I'm here to tell you that the algorithm has changed, and the algorithm is giving smaller channels a chance to get noticed. This is what I see here on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for a long time. I see a lot of things, and this is what I see on YouTube. There's still nothing easy about YouTube. You have to be a solo creator here on this platform. You have to do everything. So what's so easy about that? You have to record, you have to edit, you have to shoot, you have to make thumbnails, you have to optimize your channel, you have to come up with YouTube ideas, you have to set time aside to make these videos. So I don't think that's easy, especially if it's just you doing this. And most of the time, it's just us. It's just one individual here making these videos. I'm a solo creator, and I've been on here for years, and I've been doing this by myself for many, many years, and I like it. I love doing it. But I'm just here to tell you that there's nothing easy about it. And this is just a lot of information that's out here on the platform. is not truthful and people are not being honest with you. And I'm here to tell you that I'm going to try to be as honest as possible with you. And I'm here to tell you that it's not easy, but it is doable. And I would never quit my job to make money here on this platform. I'm just not going to do it. Now, if you see a lot of channels here that is making really good money, then you know that they're investing in themselves and they're investing in their future. So they're not just sitting back waiting for a Google AdSense check to come in. I'm sure they're making some kind of deals on the side or on the outside, or maybe even making a product that they want to share with people to make some revenue as well. So if that's the case, then that's a whole different story, because that's actually starting your business and you have a little more control because there's a product that you actually made. And this is something that you can actually sell to somebody else. Now, this gives you more control over your future because it's a product that you made and it's a product that you can distribute and you can sell to people. But when you don't have control over your so-called finances and somebody else has control, you know, like YouTube, you never know what's going to go on. I know it could be the same thing when you have a 9-to-5 job, but I just think it's a little different because we have a little more, you know, options. You know, when we have a 9-to-5 or we do whatever we're doing as far as work, we have a little more control over it. But online here, you know, things are challenging really here online. So it could be pretty challenging trying to make some revenue here on this platform. So YouTube, there is a lot of opportunities here. You know, there's a lot of opportunities here on YouTube, and you can make really good money here on this platform. But you got to really be careful about people giving you advice here on YouTube, because not everything that you see here on YouTube is glamorous. There's not everything is glamorous. People want you to they want you to feel like everything is just easy and everything just comes to you. And you're going to start posting videos here on YouTube, and next thing you know, you're going to start making millions and thousands of dollars. But that's not the case. And I think many of us know that. Anybody with any kind of knowledge, and they pretty much know that it's not really easy. So you really have to be careful about the advice that you're getting here on YouTube. And this is really bad advice. And when I see this, I'm like, why the hell would you tell somebody this, to quit their job and go all in on YouTube, when people have families and people have obligations? And that's not the way things work. You know, YouTube is definitely a place where you have a lot of opportunities and there's a lot of things that you can do. And you can make really good money here on YouTube, but you have to be smart about it. And like I said, if you're lucky enough to make money from AdSense, once you start making money from AdSense, then you have to start looking at your future and try to brand yourself and make a product, like I said, and open up some other income sources to actually start making money. Don't put all your baskets in an AdSense account. You know, it's just not smart. It's really not smart. Take it from me. I've been there. I know what it's like for AdSense to just shut your AdSense account down and you don't make no money for no reason. And I will never, ever do that. And I don't recommend anybody to do that. And this is just advice I'm giving to you because I've been there. I know what it's like. So this is just something to think about. Be careful at the advice that you're getting, because not all of the advice on YouTube is going to be sufficient, and it's not going to be great for you, and it may not be to your benefits. So I hope that this video will give you a little enlightening on it, and hopefully it'll help you out in making the decision. If you decide to start YouTube channel and you're successful in making some kind of money, this is just some tips I think you should be aware of when you're starting a YouTube channel. I hope you guys found this video useful. Post your comments below. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.